Hello everyone. So in this video again we'll be discussing a very important problem as such. So basically the problem is basically a number system in general. So let m and n be positive integers satisfying the condition greatest common divisor of m plus n comma um, 1 to 0 is equal to 1, and m to the power m is a multiple of n to the power n, and subsequently m is not a multiple of n. So find the least possible value of m plus n. So let's take a look how we can go about solving this particular question. So now say the number 4 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 10. Okay, so here basically if we take a look at both these numbers, okay, we are looking for n to be p square, the lowest prime not dividing to 10 or 11. Okay, so with that said, let's assume n equal to 121. So now there are 242 factors of 11. So 11 2 and m to the power m, and then m equals to 11 k for k greater than equal to 22. So now what we have is GCD m plus n comma 210 equal to GCD 11 plus k comma 210 equal to 1. So here k equal to 26 is the minimal value that satisfies this. We get m comma m equal to 121 comma 286. So thus it is easy to verify this is minimal. So therefore m plus n is equal to 121 plus 286, which comes out to be 407. So hopefully this thing is clear to you. So with that said, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.